we've got the our eyelids and our eyebrows done. I'm going to put some lines in here to simulate the hair. So I'll use this tool here again. There you can see, we've notched this in here. That'll simulate hair when we get to that point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill out our eyes. Since we got everything set where we want it, the eyes are the last thing we want to drill out. I'm going to use a 5/8 inch bit here, because you want to stay inside your line. Drilled, so we're ready to work on that. What we'll do is we'll take some out in here, we'll turn it around, take this back off, we'll work on the inside to open it up so we get the eyeball to sit down in. But before we do any of that, we're going to switch to our sanding discs and kind of give this a sanding down and everything and smooth it down. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.